Hello everyone, thanks for tuning in. This episode is going to be something a little bit different. The windshield in Westy is going to be replaced. I'm not doing it. I'm having an installer come out. They ordered the glass for me. I had to order the seal and this crappy looking plastic stuff that's embedded in the seal, that's going away. But the primary reason why I'm replacing the windshield, I don't know if you can see it, but this was the way it was when I bought it. The crack was originally like from here all the way down, from here all the way down to about here, and it's grown to about here, and it's starting to catch the sun when I'm driving in certain conditions, and it's really glaring, and if I have a passenger in the passenger seat, it's really annoying for them. So you might be able to see it a little bit different. Yeah, it may show up a little better here, but you can see it's starting to, kind of chip away right in here. Let's see if that's, it may show it. Yeah, so there's that. Plus, it's losing the gas seal on it, so you can see all this, this frosting right here. That's not original to it. That's just the gas that's escaped from it. But it's starting to get, get a little bit longer, and I'm just afraid that one day I have enough heat and cold or whatever, or the right jostle, then it may just go ahead and pop. Okay, so Eric from Elite Auto Glass here in North Georgia has been gracious to come in and work on this. It's a little bit cold today. I think it's about 25-30 degrees outside for North Georgia, but he's got the new windshield, so we got the tint on the top of it so that don't get a whole lot of sun glare. We got the German-made seal that he's putting on now, and let it warm up just a little bit, and I guess we'll pop the glass out of the front and put this new one in. We'll see how that goes.
All right. So she is. There we go.
On the gasket, what they recommended was that there's a vertical seal right here in the gasket that needs to be at the bottom center of the windshield when it gets put on. All right, that looks pretty good. So as you can see, folks, a little bit of time and patience and care with it probably helps to be in a little bit warmer climate too, rather than doing this out in the cold. If you've got the opportunity to work in an enclosed space.
I wouldn't recommend doing it in the cold.
Yeah. Get rid of all that nasty. Wow, that just completely crumbled.
Plastic.
May need some goggles for this one. There we go. So as you saw with the gasket, it does not come with this plastic beading around it. I wanted to get rid of that because you can see it just, I've never been a big fan of that anyway.
No fun putting in either.
No.
It's a nightmare.
Breaking the seal on that. That's one heck of a utility knife there, man.
Yeah. I got a longer one.
Not giving up without a fight, is it? So I replaced the original chrome bumpers this summer with these Rocky Mountain Westy bumpers.
Yeah, I like
they
it.
come in quite handy for this
Yeah.
project. I never figured that would happen. Wow. All right, well, there's that part. Almost like it's glued in there, isn't it?
Yeah, she's in there. I don't want to shatter it.
Yeah, understood. All right, so the old seal is out. Actually, pretty decent shape there. All right, so clearing up some of the residual adhesive and remainder of the old gasket. We got a good clean surface to put the new seal and the new windshield in. Now, does the gasket sit proud of that flange right there, or does it kind of wrap around
It
it?
wraps in.
Wraps in? Okay.
Yeah, it goes. You'll be able to see the lips from the inside.
Okay.
There's a hell of a gap there.
Yeah, I can see right in there. So what he's trying to do is to get, you can see how the seal goes around that pinch weld. Well, it's giving us a bit of a fight up here on this side. All right, so we had a little bit of surface rust that was going on in here in the corners. So we wire brushed that a little bit and put some primer on. The gasket should cover that up. That's not going to be a big deal right in there, because the gasket will go over the lip on this, so it'll keep it enclosed, and that should keep the rust from creeping back in. Ah, that makes sense. Okay.
Yes, it will fall.
Still kind of tacky.
Yeah.
Okay.
Stuff dries quick.
So the spray will act as a bit of a lubricant to get the seal around that pinch weld, as well as spraying it all around the pinch.
It's your friend when you're full wheeling.
Looks like it's starting to seed in a little bit. And as a typical home hobbyist, I made a couple of suggestions to Eric about either using a heat gun to soften the gasket or using a rubber mallet, and he said negative to both of those things. So there's a reason why you have professionals come in and do this kind of stuff. Okay, well, we've had to change our strategy a little bit. Originally what we were doing was that we were sitting the bottom of the windshield and the gasket on the bottom, and what happened was that we had too proud of a gap up there, so we had to do the reverse of it. We set the windshield up in here first, and now we're working on the bottom half of the gasket. And we've got a couple of proud spots like this around, so we're just working that. That's why. But that's looking a whole lot better than it was. Glass is in. The gasket gave us a bit of a fight, even with the new work to it, but everything's looking good. So yeah, looking quite nice. I can actually see to the back of the vehicle now. And I don't have that stinking crack that was in the old windshield. So yeah,
the delamination.
That looks good. All right. Well, I'll tell you what, Eric, tell us a little bit about your business here, and we'll throw it up on.
I'm here with Elite Auto Glass. I've been in business for about 14, 15 months now. I've been doing auto glass for a little over 6 years here in Canton, Georgia.
Okay. All right, so there you go. Elite Auto Glass, 770-235-2725, and he comes out and does the repair. So good job, man. Appreciate
Thank you,
it.
sir.
Yep.
Thank you.
All right.
There's your card.
All right. Thank you so much.